Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best foods to boost heart function. That's right, we're talking about giving your body exactly what it needs to keep your heart pumping strong for years to come. We'll be exploring the power of real, whole foods and how they can be your secret weapon in the fight for a healthy heart. We're going to break it down, making it super simple to understand why these foods are so beneficial and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. Stay tuned to learn how you can keep your heart healthy and strong. Get ready to become your own heart health hero. Before we jump into the stars of the show, our heart-healthy foods, let's take a moment to truly appreciate the incredible organ we're talking about, your heart. This fist-sized powerhouse beats around 100,000 times a day, pumping blood and oxygen throughout your entire body. It's the engine that keeps us going, and just like any powerful engine, it needs the right fuel to function at its best. That's where our food choices come in. By making smart choices about what we eat, we can directly impact our heart health, reducing the risk of heart disease and boosting our overall well-being. In this video, we're giving you the ultimate guide to heart-healthy eating. We'll be covering 10 powerhouse foods that are packed with nutrients scientifically proven to support your cardiovascular system. Get ready to discover simple, delicious ways to fuel your body and give your heart the love it deserves. First up, we're talking about leafy green vegetables. And no, we don't just mean salads. Think spinach, kale, collard greens, arugula. These greens are nutritional powerhouses. Leafy greens are bursting with heart-healthy nutrients like folate, potassium, and fiber. Folate helps lower homocysteine levels, reducing heart risk. Potassium regulates blood pressure, counteracting sodium. Fiber lowers cholesterol, keeping arteries clear. Get creative. Toss them into smoothies, stir-fries, soups, or sauté with garlic and olive oil. Let's move on to another heart-healthy hero, whole grains. We're talking about oats, brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, and the list goes on. Unlike refined grains, whole grains retain all the good stuff, the bran, germ, and endosperm. One key benefit is their high fiber content, particularly soluble fiber. This fiber acts like a sponge, soaking up excess cholesterol. But that's not all. Whole grains are packed with B vitamins, which help maintain heart health by regulating homocysteine levels. And let's not forget about magnesium, essential for normal heart rhythm and blood pressure. So, ditch the refined grains and embrace whole grains. Swap white bread for whole wheat, opt for brown rice instead of white, and start your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and nuts. Chapter 4. Berries, tiny but mighty heart protectors. Next up, we're talking about berries. Those vibrant, delicious little gems that are bursting with flavor and heart-healthy benefits. Berries are a powerhouse of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation, a major contributor to heart disease. One group of antioxidants found abundantly in berries is called anthocyanins, which give berries their vibrant colors and have been linked to improved blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and blood vessel function. But the benefits don't stop there. Berries are also a good source of fiber, which we know is essential for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and promoting digestive health. Whether you prefer blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, or blackberries, incorporating a handful of these tiny but mighty fruits into your diet is a simple yet effective way to show your heart some love. Add them to your breakfast, enjoy them as a snack, or get creative with smoothies, yogurt parfaits, or even healthy desserts. Chapter 5. Avocados. The creamy secret to a happy heart. Let's move on to a fruit that's often mistaken for a vegetable, the avocado. This creamy, delicious fruit is a nutritional powerhouse packed with heart-healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which lower bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol. They also contain more potassium than bananas, crucial for healthy blood pressure. And let's not forget about fiber, which promotes digestive health and keeps you full. Enjoy avocados on toast, in salads, smoothies, or as guacamole for a heart-healthy snack. Chapter 6. Fatty fish. Dive into heart-healthy omega-3s. Now let's dive into the world of fatty fish, a delicious and nutritious way to boost your heart health. We're talking about salmon, mackerel, tuna, sardines, fish that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats that our bodies need but can't produce on their own. Omega-3s are true heart heroes. They help lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, decrease the risk of blood clots, and improve overall heart function. But the benefits don't stop there. Omega-3s have also been linked to reduced inflammation throughout the body, improved brain health, and even healthier skin. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week to reap the incredible heart-healthy benefits. Grill it, bake it, poach it. Get creative in the kitchen and make fatty fish a regular part of your diet. Chapter 7. Let's talk about nuts and seeds, those small but mighty snacks that are packed with heart-healthy nutrients. We're talking about almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and the list goes on. These nutritional powerhouses are bursting with healthy fats, fiber, antioxidants, and essential minerals. Nuts and seeds are an excellent source of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which we know are essential for heart health. They're also packed with fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels, and vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. But the benefits don't stop there. Nuts and seeds are also a good source of plant-based protein, making them a satisfying and nutritious snack. Incorporate a handful of nuts and seeds into your daily diet for a heart-healthy boost. Add them to trail mixes, sprinkle them on salads, or enjoy them as a satisfying snack on the go. Next up, we're talking about beans and legumes, those versatile, affordable, and incredibly nutritious staples that deserve a spot on your plate every week. We're talking about lentils, black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas. The list goes on. These plant-powered heroes are packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients that can do wonders for your heart. Beans and legumes are particularly rich in soluble fiber, which, as we've learned, helps lower cholesterol levels by binding to it in the digestive tract and preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. But that's not all. Beans and legumes are also a good source of folate, magnesium, and potassium, all essential minerals for maintaining healthy blood pressure and heart function. Incorporate beans and legumes into your diet by adding them to soups, stews, salads, or even veggie burgers for a delicious and nutritious boost. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate can actually be good for your heart. But before you reach for that sugary milk chocolate bar, let's break down why dark chocolate is different. Dark chocolate, particularly those with a high cocoa content, 70% or higher, is rich in flavonols, a type of antioxidant that has been linked to improved heart health. Flavonols work their magic by improving blood flow, lowering blood pressure, and reducing the risk of blood clots. They also help increase HDL cholesterol, the good kind, and protect LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, from oxidation, which can damage arteries. But remember, moderation is key. Enjoy a small square or two of dark chocolate as an occasional treat to reap its heart-healthy benefits without overdoing it on sugar and calories. Finally, let's talk about olive oil, the liquid gold that's been a staple of the Mediterranean diet for centuries. This heart-healthy oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, and raise HDL cholesterol, the good kind. But that's not all. Olive oil is also packed with antioxidants, including polyphenols, which help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. One of the key polyphenols found in olive oil is oleocanthal, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties similar to those of ibuprofen. Choose extra virgin olive oil, which is the least processed and retains the highest levels of antioxidants, and use it to drizzle over salads, vegetables, or whole grain bread for a heart-healthy boost. Congratulations! You're now armed with the knowledge to make heart-healthy choices every day. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet is a journey, not a race. Start small, experiment with different recipes, and find what works best for you. By making these simple changes, you're not just nourishing your body, you're investing in your long-term health and well-being. So go ahead, embrace the power of food, and give your heart the love it deserves. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and information. Stay healthy and take care of your heart.